So you want to become a stock trader? Well, you came to the right place. I've been teaching people how to trade and invest in the stock market since 2013. I've been involved in the stock market for over 30 years. And so if you're going to be a stock trader, there's some things that you should consider before you decide that you want to do this. The first thing you should consider is regarding time and then also money and your own personality and psyche if you have what it takes to be a successful trader. All right, so let's talk about that. There are different ways to get involved in the stock market, different trading styles that you can be a part of depending on these three answers to these three questions: time, money, and psyche. First off, let's talk about time. Do you have time to watch the stock market during the day every day? Well, if the answer is no, you can't be a day trader because day traders have to watch the market during the day. What you can do, which a lot of people do if they work or go to school, is they swing trade. So you don't have to watch the market during the day. You just have to be able to glance at the market on your mobile phone a couple times a day, and that's all you really need to do. Most trading companies or brokerage companies will allow you to place trades on a mobile phone so you can get out of a trade if you need to. Or you can set stops, which is what you should be doing anyway. Set your stop loss order. That'll get you out even if you're not watching the market. Okay, so swing trading is usually a viable alternative for most people. Okay, the second question is regarding time. Do I have months to work on this? Because you're not going to walk in 2 days and make a whole bunch of money. What you're going to do is make money on one trade and lose money on another trade. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're more likely to lose money than you are to make money. This is something that requires effort and work. Okay, trading the stock market is complicated. Sometimes people come up to me and say, "What's the secret to trading and making money in the stock market?" And my answer is, well, what's the secret to being a successful brain surgeon? Well, there's no secret. It takes a lot of study and effort and practice to be good at this or anything that's complicated. So you need to be able to put the time and effort into this to learn what you're doing. It also helps to have a mentor or a teacher who's already been there that can help you find your way through the pitfalls. So I can help you there if you're interested. The second consideration is money. Do I have enough money to start? Now, when I was a day trader, what I did is I worked with one of those proprietary day trading companies. So they supported me financially as far as giving me money to trade with. And then I had to work part-time to pay my own bills. And I can only do that back when I was single and didn't have a lot of bills. If you are a family man, you have high bills, a house, a mortgage, a family to support all this, then you've got to have money coming in while you're trading. You also have to have a certain amount of money to start. When I was trading full time as a day trader, I could only work part time, and that would work since I didn't have a lot of bills. I could really live on about $1,500 a month back in the day. That was 20 years ago. But these days, it's most people are working or going to school. People are busy. So swing trading is usually the answer so that you can go about your business and still trade. Now, to do that, really, you can start a brokerage account and buy stocks with cash, with any amount of money. I think the minimum is about $2,000 or $2,500 to open a brokerage account with most companies. Okay, I'm sure that there are some that'll do it for less. But if you do that with $2,000 and let's say you make 5% on a trade, well, that's not a lot of money. That's maybe, $50 or $100. So you've got to have at least $2,000, I would say, to even get started. And even then, you're not going to make a lot of money. It's going to be more for the experience than actually making money. So if you have upwards of $5,000, you're starting to think about enough where you can actually make a little money in your trading. Now, you can go with stocks or stock options. Options are a great way to get leverage if you don't have a lot of money, but They're even more complicated than buying or selling individual stocks. So you better know what you're doing or you're going to lose money, okay? There are a lot of free information on the internet about how to trade stocks or options. But again, it really helps to have a mentor or someone to actually train you what you need to do. The second consideration regarding money is this money I can afford to lose? Because that's probably what you're going to be doing in the beginning as you learn to trade, okay? Unless you really know what you're doing, hardly anybody just walks in and makes a ton of money to start, okay? This is hard stuff. This is not easy. So you better plan on taking the time to learn how to do this. And part of the tuition is losing some money in the beginning. Losing is part of trading, okay? But losing right and making more than you lose, that's how you make money in the stock market. Finally, know thyself and thy personality. What are you interested in the stock market for? So they say that you can have money or you can have fun trading the stock market. Well, why are those exclusive? Because a lot of times making money in the stock market is boring. Actually, it's slow. It's you got to be patient. You got to be disciplined. It's work. Okay. If you're wanting to have fun, then you can turn the stock market into Las Vegas and make it just like gambling. But you're not going to make money that way. Okay. If you're want to have fun or excitement, you're going to roll the dice and you're probably going to lose because you don't know what you're doing and you just want to have fun. Okay, fine. If you want to do that, great. But you're not going to make money that way if you don't work at it. You need patience, you need discipline, and you need knowledge to know what you're doing. So, are you interested in having money, making money, or having a good time? Well, it's going to be one or the other. So you should consider those things as you decide if you want to trade the stock market. Now, having said that, the stock market is awesome, and it is fun after you apply patience and discipline and knowledge. It took me many, many years to learn what I'm doing. And so if you think you're just going to walk in there and just make a ton of money, good luck with that. Now, like I said, I do train people for a reasonable cost how to trade and invest in the stock market. I do it over a Zoom video, so it's over the internet. So it's one-on-one or in groups. And it's very affordable depending on your situation and what you want to learn. I do have affordable courses for beginners as well as for more intermediate and advanced traders or investors. So whatever you want to learn, just send me an email. My email address is TraderGreggK@gmail.com. That's Trader, GREGGK @gmail.com. There's 2 G's at the end of my first name. All right. So good luck to you in your trading, and I hope you consider these things. And just take it from me, it's really worth it once you put in the effort and learn what you're doing. It's a lot of fun. To work from home and to be your own boss, boy, nothing can beat that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email, okay? Look forward to hearing from you. Good luck in your trading and have a great day.